What's up, everybody? This is Shields again with Carolina Custom Homes of Burlington. In today's walkthrough tour, I'm coming to you from Eflin, North Carolina, over here in Orange County, and I'm going to be taking you through this stunning Carolina Stanley that we just got completed with, okay? The Stanley is at 2,405 square feet. It will consist of an optional porch off the front and the back, so you do not have to add that. You could do something bigger, different, whatever. What you're looking at today is a 6x25 shed style front porch, okay? Now on top of that shed style front porch, we put a decorative turn gable on top with a window in there. That's all aesthetic, all decorative. You just need to know that that is a shed style front porch with a decorative turn gable on top of it. You can plus or minus the turn gable up there. But moral of the story is the Carolina Stanley does consist of an optional front porch, okay? Again, this plan's at 2,405 square feet. It's actually the largest of the lot models that we have there in Burlington at 2450 North Church Street. We have our model set up as a 4-bed. This video today will just be 3 larger bedrooms. It's got a living room, a den, a fabulous kitchen and all that, so we'll definitely get in there and take a look. But I wanted to walk around back real quick, and I'll show you this screen porch from the inside, but I wanted to walk around and show you the sides and back of the house. All right, so coming off of the dining area, they have a marvelous screen porch, and then this is coming off of the utility room there, okay? As you can see, this customer did add a number of transom windows. You're seeing 3 just right here. I saw one on the side when I was walking around back here. So we will discuss all this and pick out your sizes and all that stuff and what you want to do and what you want to spend. So let's get back around to the front and hop on in and take a look. All right, so when I was walking up to the front door, I remembered a few things I wanted to talk about up here. Number one, you are seeing the upgraded vertical siding today on all 4 sides, all right? So that is always going to be extra when comparing it to your horizontal siding. Another rather large upgrade this customer optioned in would be the black windows. White is included. Black windows would be extra. There you go. No shutters today. They just stayed with the white lineals. We do have those in black or white, or you can get into your shutters, okay? I also wanted to point out the double door here. So you're gonna have 3 nice craftsman style front doors to choose from. They would just be a single door. And then you can always option in this lovely French door, okay? And one more thing, this customer did a number of custom light fixtures today to include these exterior lights, some chandeliers, a lot of custom lights, okay? So let's get in here. One thing that a lot of people like about the Stanley is you open the front door to a true entry area slash foyer with a coat closet. Super convenient and just makes sense. And then that opens up into your main living room, okay? You are seeing the taller, upgraded 9-foot ceilings today. We include or start you with 8-foot ceilings. One thing you gotta, kind of make up your mind on is where is the TV gonna go in the Stanley? I now have videos of people who are gonna set up the TV here, or our model in this particular video kind of has it set up for the TV to be here. All right, along with that, they did the gas fireplace with the shiplap surround. You've seen stacked stone, all that good stuff. So, you know, kind of making up your mind, you know, how do I want to lay this thing out? All right, and then that opens up into your dining and kitchen. I'll just go ahead and tell you one of my favorite kitchens, one of the best kitchens that we offer. Notice the custom pendant lights, chandelier, all that good stuff. That is your flex wing of the house. So you basically design everything from that wall and that wall over, okay? I'll get into what they did when we get over there. We would start with double window here. If you want to option in a door, really any door is in play, along with transom windows, all that good stuff, you name it, always an option. All right, so on to the kitchen, the main attraction. Quartz tops, white cabinets are one of the 3 free colors. This is an optional gray color with the island. And she also ran this color in the bathroom. So you would be charged for the island in the bathrooms in this scenario. The other colors are included. Similar to our Stanley model and a number of the Stanley walkthrough videos you've toured with me, wall microwave, wall oven with the cooktop over there, okay? So I'm gonna walk around, kind of show you those items. Beautiful backsplash. The black hardware package, knobs, hinges, shower heads, water faucets, all that stuff is black today. They did include the under cabinet transoms. We offer above cabinet transoms, or you could simply remove them, put a traditional transom over that window, whatever. Huge island. Huge, huge island. Double pot and pan drawer is included in any of the nationwide islands. A really nice feature. Soft close, all that good stuff. This is the Volt coloring for the floors. The Volt floor coloring there, floor color. Under cabinet lighting, which you're seeing today. Along with that, I would point out the under cabinet switches and outlets and all that good stuff, okay? And then any corner cabinet is going to have a double Lazy Susan, just like you're seeing. All right, so on to the pantry. You could do the frosted glass pantry door here, a bifold barn door here, whatever, but here is just a traditional swinging door going into that insane walk-in pantry. Look at all that shelving there. Real wood shelving in today's video. You are seeing just your included 2-panel doors, 1, 2. The 5-panel are extra, okay? On to the left wing of the house, straight ahead, I'm going to have a coat closet or a storage closet. They obviously put the water heater in here. If you wanted to use that as more shelving or something, we could move that or go tankless or whatever. So to the left is the utility room. Super convenient hall tree, washer and dryer area here. If you want to get into utility room sinks, the hall tree, all that stuff is in play. We'll talk about that. And notice the attic fold down ladder, okay? We start you with a scuttle hole that you have to pop up and crawl through. You can always add that fold down ladder. And then on to the master suite. Just a ridiculous master bedroom here. Humongous bedroom. All your bedrooms are wired and braced for a ceiling fan, so even if you don't add the fan through me, the wire and bracing is ready for you. I'm going to show you this closet real quick. Really, really nice closet here. Look at all that shelving. Huge space. So all of this side, all the parts that you've seen so far are very similar to our lot model, plus or minus some colors or whatnot. The other end of the house is where this customer kind of had some fun with it. So accessing the primary bathroom, you've got a beautiful double door entrance here. Wish I'd have had it kind of close, I could present it to you a little better there. But in here, you're seeing the 4x6 medium-sized shower. No upgraded, shampoo boxes, flip down seats, transom windows, none of that stuff. This is just a pretty typical 4x6 ceramic shower. Double vanity sink, lighted mirrors. That transom right there, number one, you would need 9-foot ceilings to do that. And then number two, that's optional. It's about a $600 window. If you want to add that, you can. Lighted mirrors, already said that. Got your water closet here. And then similar to our model, they went with the freestanding tub. Now in our model, we show a huge, just a really big kind of typical window. Here you're seeing the transom window. So we call that other window kind of like a picture frame window. And then this customer said, take that out and go back with a transom window. More privacy, but keeping the light, All right, so let's head to the other side of the house. So the first room I'm going to go in is the secondary den accessed by French barn doors. That is exactly how we show our model there in Burlington, okay? So this will look very similar. I do believe this room was enlarged quite a bit, because what's happened over here is this customer basically removed a bedroom. So instead of 4 total bedrooms, we're at 3 total bedrooms. Now those 2 bedrooms became bigger. So I think in return, it freed up a little bit of space out here to, enlarge this room. But a really good sized room here. All right, so this is where it'll look completely different. So straight ahead, I've got a bedroom, and then I've got the 3rd bedroom here. Okay, these are bigger than the traditional Stanley bedrooms. It's a pretty light fixture. And what it also did is create walk-in closets. So really good sized closets here. So again, this customer made the Stanley a 3-bedroom instead of a 4. They essentially eliminated a bedroom to make the other bedrooms and den larger. Okay. And then on to bath number 2, which is right here off of that secondary den. Just your good old tub shower combo insert there. Double vanity sink even in bath 2, which is nice. As you can see, this customer did lighted mirrors in the master bath, but not over here, just to save some money. And then we are missing 4 bulbs, so this room will be much brighter once those bulbs go in. So just really well done. I love what she did with it. It makes sense for her family and kids. So let's go back out here to the main space. I've got one last thing to show you. You knew I wasn't going to forget. Let's check out this screen porch, okay? So right off of the dining, you will find a 10 by 14 screen porch. How nice is this? Sit back here, enjoy some coffee, listen to the birds sing. Perfect, sign me up. All right, guys, so today we toured a custom Carolina Stanley. Now I want you to remember we have a Carolina Stanley on display there at our location in Burlington. I'm going to drop down my email right now, shields@nccustommodulars.com. If you have any questions, get with me directly with that email. I'd love to show you our Stanley there on our lot. hopefully build your, dream home, whether it be the Stanley or a different plan. I'd love to talk about it. So thank you guys for everything. New videos every Monday and Thursday, no exceptions, at 4:30. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really helps me out, helps the channel grow, all that good stuff. Thank you guys. Take care.